This is my little simple screw it to the wall roost at the moment. All I gotta do is put a hinge right here, and then I can put a string on here and pull it up. I can probably just screw right to that. So I just need one more down here, and 1, 2, 3 roosts. So I need a piece 70 inches. I think it'll hit here, so I got to bring it in a little bit. So I may have to put a scab a board onto the side of this just to get it over one more 2x4. So then I need one more leg on the end. That's 5 foot or 60 inches. 60. Once I find my knee pads. That might be too tall for a scab piece. Yeah, something like that. Should be pretty good. I don't want it to run into my nesting boxes. Alright, so now I need I don't want treated. Chickens are going to have their feet on there. Don't want that soaking through their skin. 68 3/4. Don't need that side. 68 3/4. Don't need that. 68 3/4. Junk. All right. Start stacking them on the ground again. Back to the chore at hand. Currently it's putting a 45 on this wood. Which, yeah, I set my saw at 45. There is a lock here, but it usually doesn't go anywhere. And you want these teeth just to hit the corner. Yeah, try. I think it was off by a little bit, but maybe we'll make that the floor one. So I need this to be exactly the same. Do I flip it that way? Yes. Didn't quite hit the end. Didn't quite hit the end, and my laser actually is showing me. It actually bends down the wood. So that one's somewhere right on the edge. Yeah, it's a pretty sharp. But how crooked is it? Because I was kind of tilted in the air. I don't think anyone's going to notice. As long as my angles are correct. Yep, correct. Alright, now I need my straight cuts. Curious, eh? What am I doing to your perch? Your roost? Yeah, it is cool. You're gonna love it. Put that one there. Alright, next. Yeah, I'm not gonna take your roost. I'm gonna put more roosts on here, okay? So everyone can have a top row. How's that sound? You like that? Okay. Oh. Everyone's getting mad. They're missing their nap time, aren't they? Are we friends yet or what? Alright, do you want to see if this works? I'm going to be stuck in here, ain't I? Oop, there goes your water. Yeah? I don't know if I want to put two of them together. It might be too heavy. Alright, I gotta go make another one. One more leg. Alright? Don't you be shitting all over my tools. Somewhere in there. I didn't even bring any more hinges, did I? Man, so unprepared. You guys talking it out? Oh, that gets you fired up, doesn't it? I know, you really want up here, don't you? You haven't been here yet. We're working on that, okay? And then once you're up there for a while, I'm gonna get this thing blocked off so you don't do that no more. You're supposed to sleep on the roost. Alright, so yeah, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. A measurement to see how long we are. Big drill bit. Something to hang a rope. 65. 65. Somewhere in there. Somewhere in there. Somewhere in here. So when I flip this up, yeah, I want the knot to be right there, or right here, I guess. Wrong drill bit. That's not very sharp. You see that? Okay. Got a channel cut out. Oh. All right. And tie some hella knots on here. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. All right. Next one. Okay, let's try that. Anyone think it's gonna work? We got any takers? You? You? Fine then. Yeah, I think it works. Probably could use some more safety, I guess. I know, it's your house. I'm trying to leave. Okay. Just doing a little bit of an update on my chicken roost here. I did end up turning the boards flat. And I had some bad advice when I first looked at which way the roost should go. I was trying to figure out which way they went. Probably better for the colder climates because they can get their body over top their feet and they won't get cold. Yep, Jed likes that. I guess it's feeding time. Somebody didn't have enough room in the egg box. Yeah, I know. How many we got in here? Are you going to lay some eggs? Anyone else in here? Nope. What do we got in here? One. How many ladies we got here? 1, 2, 3. Got room for 4, huh? Yeah. Alright, I'll give you your privacy. Let me get this egg. That's a big one. Somebody might have trouble getting that one out. Rescue eyes like sitting this way. Oh, what? What was that noise? Currently I have this door on a string over there. And there's some screws on top so I can't over pull it.